Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 1, 2022, 5-star Sudoku, second period. We have 2, 7, 9, 3 numbers can't come 3 cells. It will give me another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only 3 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Then second grade, only 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Fourth row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then only 1 number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B and 6th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 6. The 4 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column C, column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column H and 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will remain in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Eighth row and 10th row, we have 8. Column I also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column C and 9th row, we have pair numbers 3 and 5. So 3 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. 4 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 6th row and 7th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 8th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Ninth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 will come in one of the 2 cells. We will confirm later. 9th period, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 9th row, we have 7. Column E also we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 10th row and 5th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. can confirm 4 also here. Column F, we have 9 and 7. So 7 and 9 can't come in this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then column G, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. 8th row and 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Fifth grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column F, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. 10th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 10th row, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 9th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 8th row, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column I, we have 7. 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 7th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row and 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th grade, only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Fourth row and 3rd row, we have 8. Column H also we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C and 2nd row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column I, 2nd row and 4th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 2nd row and column B, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. Then 4 is confirmed here. 5th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 9. Column C, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 5th grade, only one number is remaining, 9. 9 is confirmed here. Since 9 is here, so 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 6th row, only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column D, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 9. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 4th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. fourth row we have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Second row and third row we have 4, so 4 can't come these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Second row we have 5, so 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.